Hi friends, welcome to the new video of Tech Miracles. Today's video is about a simple ASP.NET MVC program. To develop a simple ASP.NET MVC program, we first open Visual Studio 2009. Then select Create a new project. Select ASP.NET Core Web App Model View Control. Then select Next. Name the project. You can select any project name and then select Next and select the folder. Then select Next. Then select Create. This is our new MVC application named MVC Test App Expand as Solution Explorer. Here we can see some more folders and files. In every MVC application, there must have a controllers folder and a models folder and a views folder. In controllers folder, by default here we get a home controller.cs, and every controller for this application must be located in this controllers folder. In models folder, there is default model class review model.cs. In this models folder, classes for the database operations are located. Here is another folder named views. In views folder, we have to see home and shared. By expanding home folder, there are index.cshtml, privacy.cshtml. cshtml means C# HTML file. That means C# hypertext markup language. This index and privacy are the two pages in our application. This is an example MVC application. In views folder, there is another folder named shared. By expanding this shared folder, we get layout.cshtml. This is the general layout for the entire application. We have to run this example application. This is the layout for our example application. These headers and footers are arranged in layout.cshtml files. Here we can see two menus, home and privacy. Home is the page and privacy is another page. We can add more menus here by adding menus in layout page. We can edit this page and we can add more menus. This is a list and we can copy this list, this li, and add another menu also. We can add another menu under the control home. The page name is about and the menu name is also about. In action is the function named about, and here we get another menu named about, and save the application and run the application. We can see the new menu about in our application. In this application we can see a new menu about. This is the menu we added now, and by clicking this menu we get a page can be found error message. This is because we did not create the page named about. We can create the page about. This page about is under home controller, because then we expand solution explorer and expand view and then expand home, then right click on this home and add views and browser view empty, and then select add and then name this view as about.cshtml, then click add. We get about.cshtml. Copy this one, paste here, save this view file. By clicking the about menu, we can see the page about the action of controller page. This page is under the home controller. Then we select the home controller.cs file and this function public iAction result privacy return view. This is a function for viewing the privacy page, and like we also create the about. We can see the about page by clicking the menu about. With the help of this function public iAction result about. Okay, save the file and run the application by clicking the about menu. Now we can see the about page. We create a view file for a page, did not create the corresponding method in corresponding controller. Then we can see the page. First we create a menu and select a controller, and second we create a view under the same controllers folder, and then third step we create a method in corresponding controllers file. Here we create another controller named admin controller, add controller, and select add MVC controller, MVC controller MD, and select add. Name the controller admin controller.cs. This controller part is must in every controller. Add home controller, admin controller, user controller, and like that. Here is our admin controller.cs. Then click add. Here we get the new controller class named admin controller.cs. We have to create a new menu under this admin controller. Then select layout page, layout.cs HTML. Then select an li, copy an li, and create another menu. And this ASP controller is admin. Controller's class name is admin controller, but here we use admin. And home controller, here we use ASP controller home, and for user controller here we use ASP controller user. And for admin controller we use ASP controller admin, and the page name is admin's home, and the menu name is admin space home. This ASP action admin home is the method name, and please avoid space. Expand solution explorer, then add a new folder admin. Under the folder view, select admin and add view admin home.cs. and select add. Here we get the new view admin home.cs and admin controller. We just name the method index as admin home. Save the file. Edited the view file admin home.cs HTML and save the file and just run the application. Okay, here we get the new menu admin home. By clicking admin home, we just go admin home page. Okay, for creating a new page under a new controller, first we create a controller. If we create the controller for admin, then name the controller as admin controller. Then select layout.cs HTML page and create a menu for the page, and select the ASP controller as admin. Here we do not mention controller with the controller's name, only admin for admin controller and home for home controller, and like that. And page name and the menu name, and then create a folder for corresponding controller. Here our controller is admin, then create a folder named admin, and then create a new view by giving the same name as this ASP action admin home, and then select the admin controller and create the method for this admin home and edit admin home.cs HTML file and then run the application. Here we get the page under the new control. Today's video is concluding here. In next videos, we have to discuss database operations and entity frameworks. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much.